How to log into Facebook account on your PC. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to log into your Facebook. But before getting started, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and like the video. Now let's jump right in. The first thing you will need to do is open up any web browser on your PC. I'm using Google Chrome right now. And then from here, what you want to do is simply search for facebook.com. and it will directly take you to the sign in page right here. Now what you're going to do is simply enter your username or your email or your phone number right here, and once you enter your email on the first tab, you can simply enter your password on the second tab. So I'm just going to enter my password. First, let me get my email correct, and then you can simply enter your password. But in case you've forgotten your password, tap on Forgot Password right here. You can enter your account name to search for it. And if there are any email connected to it, you can just choose the account that you want to log into. Mine is this one, and click on this right here. Now it will send you a reset link on your email, and from there you can simply reset your password. Now if you want to create a page or for a brand or a business, you can simply click right here to create a page. Now Facebook will guide you through on how you can easily build a page, so just follow the on-screen prompts to create a page. Now you'll just have to enter your password right here to log into your account. Tap on login, and then you should be logged into your Facebook account. If you have set any two-factor authentication, then you will have to provide the authentication, and then you should be logged in. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.